Harvesting wood yourself directly from nature and then processing it and making things out of it is a great way to develop your craftsmanship skills as well as exercise your powers of creativity. And not to mention, it's also a great way to save a few bucks, as buying treated, processed wood or live edge specialty slabs from the store can be very expensive. In this video, I'll share some ideas for ways that you can get plenty of free wood for your projects. And if you have any ideas of your own, please share them in the comments below. At the top of the list is homeowners, who often remove trees from their property that have died, that have been destroyed in a storm, or because they're tired of all the maintenance. Tree removal is very expensive, as is the cost of hauling away all the wood once a tree is cut down. Thus, homeowners often beg people to come over and help themselves to the wood from a downed tree. Neighborhood or community Facebook pages often have notifications from folks when they have wood to get rid of. And even if a tree is removed or downed because it's dead, there's still often a lot of good, salvageable wood that you can harvest and still work with. Another source of potential free, high-quality lumber is from landowners. Many folks who own large areas of wooded property often remove trees for many of the same reasons that homeowners do, such as dead or storm-damaged trees. But many also selectively harvest trees that may be encroaching in on certain areas, that may be an invasive species of tree, or that they want out of the way for a building or planting project. Again, getting rid of a bunch of downed trees can be a big, expensive, time-consuming task. So many landowners are more than happy to have help with getting all that timber out of the way. Similar to landowners, both big and small contractor companies sometimes clear out large areas of trees for building projects and have to spend a lot of time and money getting rid of all that lumber. Now, some contractors may have liability issues that restrict the general public from coming out and salvaging the wood, but sometimes they don't. In fact, sometimes they actively seek help from the local community to assist with the chore by offering free wood in return. Harvesting trees from public land can be another option for getting some choice wood for your projects. Now, this is something that you have to thoroughly check out, as regulations for harvesting wood from state and federally owned land can vary greatly from place to place. However, some forested areas do allow for the removal of storm-damaged or dead fallen trees, which again can often be salvaged and produce some good material to work with. Finally, if you live near the ocean, a big lake, or a major river system, have a look around from time to time to see what kind of lumber ends up on the bank. Sometimes you can find some really interesting, unique, and even expensive pieces of wood that have blown in and washed up from who knows where. But no matter where you find a supply of free wood, the next big issues are how to go about harvesting it and processing it into workable pieces, as well as how to dry it out. In the next few videos, I'll be sharing some ideas on those topics, so stay tuned. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.